Hello everyone, my name is Ludwig Conistabile and I am a harp therapist from Milan, Italy. Maybe you know me, maybe we've met before, or you've taken part in one of my classes or workshops, or with friends on Facebook or Instagram. Well, it's my pleasure today to talk to you briefly about the upcoming Harp Therapy and Guided Imagery online course that will start in the month of October. Well, for the fourth time, yes, it's the fourth edition of the online course. We will meet and we will have the chance to study and to deepen our knowledge on how to use this beautiful instrument of ours and all of its resonance for deep relaxation, for creative visualization, for emotional integration. And we will also have the opportunity to work on how to embed our rather natural, original instrument, our voice, into this. During the last 2.5 years, more than 100 people from all over the world have been trained by me in the online course. And I am so amazed, considering and looking at what they are doing, what my former students and friends are doing right now. And I'm so glad to have the opportunity once again to share it with all of you. Well, I've been practicing this model for the last 22 years in Italy at the Harp music therapy school. And these last years, as you've probably noticed, there's been a growing interest in sound baths, guided meditations or guided visualizations where music plays an important role. Maybe you've been wondering how to do that, or maybe you've already done it and you could benefit from some hints and some suggestions. Well, in that case, this is the course for you. And we will meet for 6 times, so we will have 6 live webinars on Zoom, one hour and a half each, more or less. Plus you will have some extra material, some extra video recorded lessons to watch and study for a total of 20 hours of training. But the actual webinars will be only 6. Then you will have all the time in the world to study the other videos if you want. So the course will go from October to Christmas. And you can have a certificate of completion or a certificate of attendance sponsored by the Harp International Music Therapy School. Well, if you want to have more information about this, if you have anything you want to ask, if you want to know more about this model of mine, well, you can write me an email, and you will find my email address down in the description below. And you will also find my webpage, where you can maybe read some testimonials by my former students. So, let me invite you all, if you're interested in these techniques and these possibilities, to the 4th edition of the Harp Therapy and Guided Imagery Beginner's Course. You know, the subtitle is The Sound of Dreams, because this is what it's all about. It's all about dreams. Music is about dreams. We are about dreams. We are made of dreams. Some very famous poet said that long before I did, and many other people. Yes, we are made of dreams, and maybe music can be the key to open up our inner doors to this world of dreams. And maybe dreams are not the opposite of reality. Dreams are what makes reality even more powerful, even more fascinating. And so we will learn how to use this instrument, or we could say these instruments, to create the enabling environment for dreams, for people to feel authorized and allowed once again to dream. It's not only night dreams, it's not only daydreams, dreams, possibility to reinvent ourselves, to imagine a different future, maybe a brighter present too. Well, guys, once again, it's been a pleasure to have you for these 5 minutes with me, and have a great day or great night, and don't be afraid to dream away. See you very soon. Bye, guys.